For Ami's smile, amidst the green valleys, under the blue sky, on the bank of the flowing river, two little siblings, Ahmed and Mariam, went out early in the morning to catch fish. The sun was peeking from behind the mountains, laughing, as if it was also participating in their game. Ahmed put the hook in the water and Mariam prayed, "Oh Allah, I'll find a big fish, so that mother will be happy." After a while, the hook moved, and Ahmed shouted with joy, "Mariam, look, I caught it!" A shimmering fish came out of the water. Joy spread on Mariam's face. "The best breakfast will be prepared for mother," she said. Ahmed said, laughing. "Mother will say, 'My children are as brave as mountains and as lovely as rivers.'" Both put the fish in the basket and washed their faces with the river water. There was the fragrance of flowers in the air, the chirping of birds, and in their hearts the same feeling, happiness, love, and gratitude for their parents. Would you like me to write the same story in the style of Heartfelt with Stories, with a little emotion and dialogues? That is, a script that can be narrated with a voice on YouTube?